What's up, everybody? Justin here with Bears Apple Barbecue. I hope you're having a great day. We've got the Weber going again today. We're going to be doing a buffalo chicken calzone on the Weber, as well as some Mexican stuffed peppers. So I'm super pumped about both of those recipes. Had some leftover pizza dough that I needed to use before it went bad. My favorite thing is buffalo chicken calzones. I absolutely love them, or one of my favorite things at least. And then we're doing some stuffed peppers as well, because we had some ground chicken and peppers that we needed to use. So today's a kind of a catch-all day. We're going to use up some of the things that we had in the fridge. Struggle that we're all going through. Ooh, could be a storm soon. Look at these trees. Oh boy. Well, we got these going. We got our meat going on inside. We're going to start doing the calzone as well, and well, we'll get these on the grill soon. All right, we're going to do some Mexican-style stuffed peppers. We got some ground chicken in here. We're gonna cook that up with some taco seasoning. We're gonna toss in some black beans, some diced tomatoes, green chilies, and some corn as well. Then we're gonna stuff that into a pepper, and we're gonna throw these bad boys on the grill. All right, so we mixed the taco seasoning with the chicken, added our black beans, our can of Rotel, and half a can of sweet corn. I'm just gonna let these kind of chill out together, cook up together, flavors infuse. Then we're gonna cut into our peppers and stuff those bad boys. We had a little pizza dough left over, so I'm gonna make myself my absolute favorite kind of calzone, a buffalo chicken calzone with ricotta, with fontina cheese, gorgonzola, and some mozzarella. We've got those on there. Now, we're gonna head out to the grill. We're gonna throw the chicken on. I did chicken breasts, throw those on. I'm gonna season them with Lane's Scorpion and Lane's Nashville Hot seasonings. Then we're going to, once those are cooked, we're gonna throw those into some garlic buffalo sauce, and then we're gonna cook our calzone. What up? All right, so we had some leftover pizza dough, stretched it out. I'm gonna make a calzone, make my favorite buffalo chicken calzone. So far, what we have on here is some gorgonzola cheese, some fontina cheese, some ricotta, and some mozzarella sprinkled on top. I'm gonna cook the chicken outside on the grill, season that with Lane's Scorpion and Lane's Nashville Hot. Come back, we're gonna hit it with some hot sauce, throw it in here, and we're gonna cook that calzone. All right, so we have the grill heating up, but I also wanted to toss the pizza stone on there to heat that up as well. Save the energy, cook outside. All right, so on the chicken, we have a mixture of Lane's Scorpion seasoning and their Nashville Hot seasoning. We're gonna hit these on the grill momentarily once it's heated up. Then we're gonna dice them up, throw them in our calzone, throw the calzone back on the grill. Oh yeah. All right, so our meat has finished cooking. Now we're gonna stuff our peppers. So I threw one full pepper in the middle of this. And then I sliced these peppers in half. All we're doing is stuffing them, and we're going to throw a little cheese on top. All right. Oh, hot. Beautiful. Toss a little bit more into this one. Awesome. Just wash my hands. We're going to throw just a little bit of some farm style cut Monterey Jack and cheddar cheese right on top. Not a lot. Just enough. Awesome. Now we are going to let these sit aside for a few minutes. And then we're going to run them out to the grill as soon as we put our calzone on. All right, we chopped up the chicken. We hit it with some of that Sweet Baby Ray's garlic buffalo wing sauce. This is one of my favorite sauces. It's just so good. It's got a nice kick. It's got awesome flavor. The garlic is great. Highly recommend. Mix that up. Gonna get it a little bit tacky. Just like that crazy uncle who wears striped ties and checked shirts. Just a little tacky. Let's go. All right, we added the chicken right on top. So good. I'm gonna fold it over. We're gonna press it to close it, and we're gonna throw it on. All right, we're cooking up real nice. Ooh yeah, nice crust on it. Beautiful. Got beautifully fresh avocado on there. That is looking good. Calzone is out. Look at that. Looking banging too. Yeah, yeah.